In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Power BI. We'll start right from your browser. Open Google and search for HubSpot, then click through to the official HubSpot website. Log into your account with your usual credentials. If you're part of a larger organization, make sure you have permission to install apps. Admin or marketplace access is often required, so if you don't see certain options later, check with your HubSpot admin. Once you're in, look toward the top of the screen for the marketplace icon. It typically appears in the main navigation bar. Click that icon to open the HubSpot Marketplace. This is the central place for vetted integrations that safely connect to your CRM data. Inside the marketplace, use the search bar and type Power BI. You're looking for the Power BI connector listing. Click the result to open its details page. Here, you can review an overview of what the integration does, the permissions it needs, and any notes about supported data, like contacts, companies, and deals. It's a good idea to skim this page so you know exactly how your data will be accessed and where it will flow. Next, click Install. HubSpot will show you a permissions screen. This explains what the integration can read or manage in your portal. Take a moment to confirm it matches what you expect for your reporting needs. Data access transparency is important, so only proceed if you're comfortable with the scopes shown. You'll now be prompted to choose an account. If you have multiple HubSpot accounts or sandboxes, select the one you want to connect to Power BI. This ensures your reports later reflect the correct dataset. After highlighting the right account, click the option to choose that account to continue. Before finalizing, you'll see a checkbox for the app's terms and privacy policy. Read through the summary, then check the box to indicate your agreement. Finally, click Connect App. HubSpot will process the connection and may briefly redirect while it completes authorization. That's it. The Power BI integration is now installed in your chosen HubSpot account. You can find it listed among your connected apps. The initial data sync may take some time depending on how many records you have, so be patient. Once connected, you're set up to bring HubSpot data into Power BI and build dashboards that surface trends across your funnel, sales pipeline, and customer lifecycle. If anything doesn't look right, revisit the listing page to review permissions or consult your admin for access adjustments.